Hi, I'm Suhali Khan. Welcome. Imagine this: flakes falling every time you touch your hair, or your favorite black outfit turning into an embarrassment. Yes, I'm talking about dandruff, the silent villain on your scalp, feeding on oils and wrecking your confidence. You've tried it all: curd, lemon, oils, OTC shampoos, but it only gets worse. Well, don't panic, because today we're uncovering the truth with insights from a dermatologist to guide you to a healthier scalp. So let's get started. Welcome, doctor, and thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
So, doctor, many people think that dandruff is just dryness or a cosmetic issue. Is it really that simple?
No. It is not that simple. Actually, dandruff depends on what is your own skin type. If you have oily skin, then this may lead to seborrheic dermatitis, acne, folliculitis, a bad scalp hygiene. And on the contrary, if you have a dry scalp, it may lead to serious irritation, flaking, and that may lead to hair thinning as well. So it's just not as simple dandruff.
Now that we've understood that it's not just dryness, doctor, please tell us when and why people suffering from dandruff should seek medical consultation.
Yes, it's a very good question, because people should know what are the red alarms. First, when your scalp dandruff has reached to the eyebrows or your eyelashes or the sides of the nose and it is itching, then you have to consult your dermatologist. If you face acneiform lesions or bad smell from your scalp, consult a dermatologist. If your scalp is drying out and you are facing skin problems, hair thinning and hair loss, immediately go to the dermatologist. And lastly, last but not the least, fungal infection or acneiform lesions on your scalp and not treating by the DIYs, definitely get an expert's help.
Doctor, why is it that most of the home remedies fail to treat dandruff? Why is dandruff so stubborn? And why do these quick fixes not work?
It's a good question, but that is not the actual problem. बिकॉज आप अगर रूट कॉज को ढूंढ लोगे तो आप उसका सोल्यूशन खुद ही मिल जाएगा. वाई DIYs आर नॉट वर्किंग? बिकॉज DIY में आप यूज करते हो लेमन जूस विच मे इरिटेट द ऑलरेडी इरिटेटेड ड्राई स्कैल्प. DIY में आप लैक्टिक एसिड या हनी यूज कर रहे हो और मे ट्रिगर द एक्नीफॉर्म लीजन्स. तो आपको कॉज अपना पता होना चाहिए कि आपका ऑयली स्कैल्प है तो आपको ऑयल कंट्रोल पे ध्यान देना है. दैट विल इमीडिएटली क्लियर द प्रॉब्लम. एंड आपका अगर ड्राई एंड सेंसिटिव स्कैल्प है तो आपको उसको गुड हेल्दी नरिशिंग ऑयलिंग देना है. तो ये दोनों चीज़ें आप समझ लोगे तो आपका DIY घर का नुस्खा या आपका OTC में जो भी कीटोकोनाजोल या हेड एंड शोल्डर जैसे शैम्पूज मिलते हैं उसकी ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. सेकेंड थिंग कि आप जैसे बोल रहे हो वाई इज़ दिस सो स्टबन, तो स्टबन तो ड्राई स्कैल्प विल ऑलवेज रिमेन ड्राई, तो आपको उसको ऑलवेज ऑयलिंग करके रखना है. एंड ऑयली स्कैल्प विल ऑलवेज रिमेन ऑयली, तो आपको उसको फ्रीक्वेंटली क्लीन करना है. Catch is in the root cause, so consult a dermatologist and get it treated properly.
What is the key takeaway for managing dandruff?
The answer is early treatment. आप जितना जल्दी डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट को कंसल्ट करोगे आपका रूट कॉज मिलेगा, बी इट ऑयल सिक्रीशन और फंगस और सेंसिटिविटी कॉज पता चलेगा. यू विल बी गाइडेड टुवर्ड्स द थेरेपी एंड यू विल बी फाइन.
What should people do to maintain scalp health?
Everyone wants a healthy scalp, right? Use SLS paraben free shampoos, regular conditioning from the edges upwards, and also go for hair serums which to lock moisture. Second, omega-3 fatty acid and iron rich foods and supplements will actually help for healthy hair. And lastly, avoid excessive stress that will lead to hormonal imbalance, hair thinning, hair fall and all the seborrheic dermatitis and fungal growth. So everything is linked together. Yoga and medication may help. So stay healthy and stay stress free.
So dandruff isn't just about flakes or itching. It signals underlying issues like seborrheic dermatitis and acne. Don't wait for dandruff to spiral out of control. Consult your dermatologist and find a solution individualized for your scalp. Your dermatologist knows best and will help you to stay flake-free and confident. Your scalp, your story. No shortcuts, just expert care.